I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: power to the outdoor unit and fresh batteries in the remote. Once done, walk outside to inspect the condenser for debris or a tripped breaker. Clear the area if needed. Next, pick up the remote, set the thermostat to cool and lower temperature by 3-5 degrees. Press the power or compressor-specific button if your remote labels it comp or outdoor. This is the first action that signals the system to engage the compressor. Once you've sent the start command, watch how the system responds. You should hear the indoor fan change and the outdoor unit begin to spin within 30 to 90 seconds. You can toggle fan speed or turbo/cooling boost to reduce lag. This helps verify control communication. Make sure the indoor filter is clean and the thermostat settings match remote input. If the compressor still doesn't engage, pause and check the breaker, thermostat wiring, and remote pairing to rule out control or power faults. You finish by confirming steady cooling and regular compressor cycles over 5 to 10 minutes. That indicates normal operation. If you hear a hum but the compressor won't spin, shut the system off for safety and suspect a capacitor or contactor failure. Do not attempt high voltage work yourself. Contact a technician. If the remote shows signals but the unit stays silent, try a spare remote or control the unit directly at the indoor thermostat to isolate remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.